This video follows from the previous video, starting out with LeapFrog Works. In this video, I will start by demonstrating how to create or open a project, then discuss managing your LeapFrog Works usage effectively by taking advantage of its reference code and license timeout functionality. These tools were designed to track your LeapFrog usage and maximize your usage efficiency while minimizing your costs. I will also introduce the integrated demonstration project that will be discussed in the next video. Once the license is active, LeapFrog will open to the Projects tab. The Projects tab is where you can create a new project or open an existing project. Under the Recent Projects, LeapFrog Works will list your 5 most recently opened projects. Alternatively, you can direct the search to a particular folder in which you store your LeapFrog projects simply by clicking on the folder. All projects within a particular folder will appear underneath. LeapFrog Works installs with an integrated demo project designed to help you learn the basics of modeling with LeapFrog. The project's notes and comments help you discover not only what is possible in LeapFrog Works, but also link out to a world of help and training resources to get you going quickly. If you're just starting out with LeapFrog Works, we highly recommend reviewing the contents of this project to familiarize yourself with the basics of importing, visualizing, and modeling your data with LeapFrog Works. Click on the thumbnail to open the demo project. The first time you open LeapFrog Works, you will be presented with the option to select or manage the project's reference codes used for tracking purposes. This code can represent the LeapFrog project, the client, the job, the department, or regional office, etc. Tracking usage time with reference codes is optional, and you have the option here to stop showing this message upon startup. To set up your project's reference codes, click Manage Codes. This will open a usage policy window under Settings. Click Add New Code to add any necessary reference codes to the project. Codes can either be stored in specific projects or on the computer for use in other projects that you might have on the go. If you don't use codes, simply untick the Prompt at Project Startup button. Conversely, if you require continuous usage tracking, tick the Always Required box. Once the reference code is entered, it is displayed at the bottom of the project. Click here to change the code at any time. To stop using a code, select No Code. In addition to managing reference codes, there is also an option in the Usage Policy window to manage license idle timeout. Idle timeout helps you avoid accidentally incurring user day license charges when you're not using the software. This enables you to leave processes running while you're away from your computer for an evening or a weekend and not be concerned about incurring unnecessary user day charges if processing finishes before you return. The default timeout is set to 60 minutes. You can change this anytime in the Usage Policy area of the settings.